You want to tell me about the skunk?
Skunk.
What about the skunk? Is it stinky? Stinky skunk? Did you see a skunk yesterday? With Mom and Dad?
Fist.
Yeah.
Fist.
Fist? What's your finger? Oh, who's that? Who's on my phone? Who just
Daddy.
Is it Daddy?
No.
No. Who is it?
Mommy.
Is it Mommy?
No.
No. Who is it?
Unk.
Is it Unk?
Skunk.
Skunk. Do you smell skunk? I don't smell skunk. I smell poop.
Skunk.
It's a skunk?
Here.
Oh.
Here.
Is it? Oh, you hear him? You hear the skunk? Do you smell a skunk?
See.
Oh, you see a skunk? You want to see a skunk?
Okay.
Yes?
Higher.
Oh, are you blowing the skunk a kiss?
Gone.
It's gone. No more skunk. Can we go change poop now?
No.
Do you not have poop in your pants? Don't you have poop in your pants? I smell poop. Come on, let's go.
No.
Really?
Skunk.
Skunk. It's not a skunk. That's not a skunk. I smell poop. Come on. Come with me. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. What's that?
O's.
Rose? Come on.
Cracker.
Oh, it's Cracker, right. Come on, come with me. Let's change poop diaper. Come.
No. Picture. Picture.
Picture. I'm taking your picture right now.
No.
Right now.
Poop.
Yes. Taking your picture and smelling poop.
Skunk.
It's not a skunk. That's you, Mila. It's poop in the pants.
Picture.
Picture. I know you want to see the picture. Will you let me change your poop
No.
if I show you the picture? Can we make a deal?
No.
No!
No. Hold it.
Hold it. Okay, here.
Mia.